The HR tag displays a horizontal line, also called a horizontal rule, that is used to separate content on a web page. So let me show you an example. I'll create a simple web page here. Okay, so I'm going to put the HR tag right under the H1 tag, and this is how it will render. So you see a line right underneath, and it's used to separate different ideas, different sections of a web page, or whatever you want to use it for. So let me add a couple more things here. Okay, so that's an example. Notice when I use the horizontal rule that I do not need to put a paragraph tag to go to a new line, nor do I need to use a line feed tag or BR tag. The HR tag automatically creates a line feed after the HR tag. The HR tag does not use a closing HR tag. The HR tag can have CSS properties applied to it, but I'll get into that later in the CSS tutorial.